Amazingly, there is so much awareness around the importance of gut health. But unfortunately, our gut health is not something that you just fix once and then it's done forever. It really does need to be maintained and supported through a healthy diet, through ensuring there's no bugs and bacteria happening in your gut, making sure there's no chemicals and heavy metals. So it really is a big process. And doing a full gut repair protocol really is, a 3 to 12 month process depending on the extent of the damage and what else is going on in your system and what other health problems you have going on. So I've put together the Express Gut Cleanse for people who just want to do a bit of a dip their feet in the water type thing, a 4 to 6 week protocol to really teach you about clean eating and really to give your gut a minor cleanse of any bacterial overgrowth and small intestinal bacterial overgrowth and things that shouldn't be in there. So this is a beautiful little 4-product kit that you can use and do, a couple of times throughout the year if you choose, or as a once-off, because it really will help to reset your digestion. It will definitely help you to cleanse out impurities, help to clear up your skin. It can help kickstart weight loss. Really does give the colon a beautiful cleanse as well. So it really is a profound package that will have lots of benefits within your body, and it's easy to follow. So with the package, you get your 4 beautiful products: the colon cleanse, which is amazing. You get the CleanseMe, which is a beautiful antimicrobial liquid herbal formula, completely alcohol free, which will fight out a lot of those nasty dysbiosis and bad bacterial overgrowth, which leads to things like gas and bad breath and bloating. You also get the RegenerateMe, which is a beautiful liver tonic to help really stimulate the gallbladder, get the liver working again, give it a bit of a cleanse. And then you get your follow-up Restore Me, which is your beautiful 10-strain probiotic formula, which is completely vegan. So it really is a full complete kit. You see a lot of information out there about do this for your gut health and do this, but it's all fragmented. Unless you're healing all elements of the gut and doing it properly, you really can be wasting a lot of money and spending a lot of time, but actually doing more harm than good. So with this package, you also receive the eating plan to follow, all the tips on clean eating and diet that you should be following to support this process and heal the gut, as well as a list of all the beautiful gut healing things that you can learn about and then carry on long term to maintain really beautiful gut health ongoing. Because like I said, gut health is not just something that you need to do then and there on the spot and then that's it, you're done. You do need to maintain it and work at maintaining gut health, because there's so many things in our environment that will disrupt our gut health. Like I said, parasites and chemicals, bad diet choices like, high inflammatory foods like gluten and sugar, alcohol, coffee being other ones. So it's a beautiful little package. It's very easy to follow. You don't need any guidance. You can't do any harm, and you'll definitely feel dramatic improvements with your skin, energy, digestion, bloating, and all those classic digestive discomfort things over that 4-week, or it can be strung out over a 6-week period. So have a look, and please feel free to book a 15-minute consult if you are unsure of what is the best package and best process for you.